Hey, this is Mike and Claire at the Johnson team. Hope everybody's doing good. Coming around here on spring. So let's talk if you want to have a little bit of trim paint work done or maybe paint the house, that sort of thing. Coming up on a good time to do it. You get a hold of BAWalker Construction. That's Brooke Walker. He does a great job painting. We've got another painter, Larry Bock. Both of these guys we have used. They do a good job. The number's going to be below, but they're great painters if that's something you want to start here for the spring.
Yeah, and then thinking about your yard, all the nurseries in town are starting to get plants in for the springtime. My garden nursery on Bakerview has a big selection of stuff, so dormant trees and shrubs and things to get in right now and get those ready for the spring.
Yep, and then if you want to put in like a brand new sidewalk so you can put that bed for those flowers in there, you can get a hold of Squared Construction, Jesse Clark. They do flat work. If you need a new driveway put in, they do that too.
Right, and so once you get your trees and your sidewalk put in and everything's great, good to go, now you need someone to maintain it. So my husband at Bobadilla Landscaping, he can come and prune those trees, cut the hedges, mow your lawn, weekly maintenance, or spring or fall cleanups, whatever you need. So give them a call to get those scheduled as well.
Yep, we'll have all the links below so you can click on those and get a hold of everyone. Have a great spring.
Have a great day.